2025 BYD Seagull is here, bringing a new level of affordability, efficiency, and practicality to the EV hatchback segment. As one of the most anticipated compact electric cars, the Seagull is designed for urban drivers who want a balance of modern features, impressive range, and budget-friendly pricing. With BYD's expertise in battery technology and electric powertrains, this hatchback is set to redefine what an entry-level EV can offer. From the outside, the Seagull embraces a clean and contemporary design. Its compact proportions make it perfect for navigating tight city streets, while sharp LED headlights and a dynamic front fascia give it a stylish and futuristic look. The aerodynamic profile helps improve efficiency, and the slightly raised stance provides a crossover-like appeal. Despite its small size, the Seagull has a strong road presence, with sculpted lines and a sleek rear design featuring a full-width LED light bar that adds a premium touch. Step inside, and you'll find a surprisingly spacious and modern cabin. The minimalist dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, integrating navigation, media, and vehicle controls seamlessly. A digital instrument cluster keeps the driver informed with key driving data, while soft touch materials and smart storage solutions enhance the overall user experience. The Seagull's compact size doesn't compromise comfort, as BYD has maximized interior space to offer ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. Underneath, the Seagull is powered by BYD's latest lithium iron phosphate, LFP, battery technology, known for its safety, durability, and efficiency. The hatchback is expected to come in multiple battery configurations, providing different range options to cater to various driving needs.